Welcome to Image Presto. In today's video, we will go over the Video Model Wan 2.2 in the Video Generation tool. To start, go ahead and click on the Video Generation tool. In this exercise, we'll be using the Wan 2.2 video model to generate a video with a reference image and without. Let's start by entering our prompt. You will notice I entered in a detailed prompt that includes details to animate a moving snow globe. The goal is to create a video without having to use a reference image. Go to your settings and under Video Model, choose Wan 2.2, choose your duration, choose your quality, your aspect ratio, and resolution. When finished, click on the Generate button. You will notice a box will appear showing you the status of your video that includes your prompt, duration, aspect ratio, quality, any image used, time it takes to generate the video, and status queue. When your video is ready, it will say Done, then click the play button to view your video. Next, let's create our next video. This time, we'll be using a reference image. To do so, go to your settings and click on the Upload Image button and upload your image. Here, I have uploaded an image of a snow globe. Make sure to check your settings. Keeping the prompt the same, then click on the Generate button. Once it's done, you can click on the play button to view your video. With the Wan 2.2 video model, you have cinematic control to create impressive high-efficiency videos in less than no time.